Let's learn character Ya. Ya means tooth. Ya originates from the shape of an upper tooth, interlocked with a lower tooth of an animal. Mises curse. May all your teeth fall out, except one, to get toothaches. Ya could be imagined as a man brushing his teeth. Life is short. Smile while you still have teeth. Teeth, 牙齿. Ya means tooth. 象 elephant. Ya 象牙 ivory, elephant's tusk. When they come downstairs from their ivory towers, idealists are apt to walk straight into the gutter. Ivory 象牙 tooth 牙 医 doctor 牙医 dentist. Patient says, Doctor, I have yellow teeth. What do I do? Dentist says, wear a brown tie. Dentist 牙医. Character 井 develops from the shape of the square guardrail fencing a well. 井 means well. The stroke order of 井. I'm a useful dog. I'm guarding the well. Well, 井. 井 means well. 打 build. 井打井 drill a well. 井 means home village or town. In former times, many households shared a well. 井 has taken on the meaning neighborhood. 井 means neat, orderly. 井 means something in the shape of a well. 矿 means all. 井矿井 means mine. My old man had only two ambitions in life. One was that I should never follow him down the mines, and the other was I should run for president. Mine, 矿井. The character 丑 could be imagined as developing from the shape of an ugly chicken feet. 丑 means ugly. 丑 could be imagined as an ugly man bending over a cross. If you realize you are ugly and stupid, don't despair. At least you have a good sense of judgment. Ugly, 丑. 丑 means ugly, loathsome. 真 truly. 丑 ugly. 真丑 ugly, very ugly. She's so ugly. When she walks into a bank, they turn off the cameras. So ugly, 真丑. 丑 means disgraceful, shameless. 出 appear. 丑出丑 bring shame on oneself. I may be drunk, but you are downright ugly, and I shall be sober in the morning. Ugly, 丑. Character 笔 could be imagined as a dagger. 笔 means dagger. The stroke order of 笔. This is my dagger. It's very sharp and very eager to hurt you. Dagger, 匕首. 匕 dagger. 手 head. 匕首 dagger. You are like a dagger plunging into my heart. Dagger, 匕首.